Travis Welch here. Had a question from Melanie Kaufman from the middle school about how to read a book to her students and record that, and then how to not have your image displayed while you're reading the book, and instead of having the camera on you, you can actually create maybe the cover of that book. So for the sake of this this video, I'm going to choose Green Eggs and Ham because honestly it's probably the last book I read in school. So when we click into this website, it's called Screencast. It does not require any fee. It's free to use. You do have to go to this website every time you want to use it, but you go ahead and then you would launch the free recorder here, and it's going to walk you through a couple steps. You might need to enable pop-up blocker, but it's pretty easy to sort of manipulate into that. So say I want to go ahead and I want to have a different image being displayed. It is going to display whatever is on your computer screen. So you can talk into it, but you're actually going to select whatever you want to actually display. So let's say I was going to present a PowerPoint or a Google slide or whatever you want to use. I would go to that, and then I could actually have this sort of up on the screen as I was presenting. So they would not, the students wouldn't see me, they would just see whatever is being presented on my screen, and then I could just click through that as I wanted to. There's also a feature when you get into this, it'll have audio record, so it'll say screen, it'll say webcam, or both, so you can actually have it so that it shows maybe half of your screen from this side over would be whatever's displayed on your screen, and this side would be you on a webcam. So just for that. So for the sake of this, we're just going to go ahead and just change a format here. Right? I'm going to enable it blank, and let's say I just wanted to display the cover page, cover of this, and you would then just go ahead and hit present. And so you can talk, you can read your story, and then the only thing the students will see will be whatever is being displayed on your screen. You could go ahead and read the entire book, a chapter, whatever you wanted to do, and then whenever you're done, in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, there will be sort of a record button, and you just stop the recording there, and you're good to go. Now it does allow you to upload it to a couple different ways. You could just download it as an MP4 file. You could upload it to YouTube. It actually has an option where you can add it right to Google Classroom. So that's another feature as well. Thanks.